Hi friends! Today is my grandmother's birthday and I want to make her a cool present. But I can't do it without your help, so can you help me? I knew you can, because you're my friends! But before we start, press on the subscribe button, it is by the way red, and click on the bell next to it. I want you to help me collect a bouquet of flowers. It will be the best present for my grandmother. What a beautiful flower! It has blue petals. By the way, it's my favorite color. What else is blue? Such color may be grapes, a plum, blueberries. So the petals of this flower are blue. And what is the color of the flower stem? Yes, you thought correctly. Green. All flowers have a green color stem. And what else can be green? This color has a cucumber, an apple, a broccoli. And do you know, friends, what color is this? This color is called red. And what else can be red? Such color may be pepper, a tomato, a strawberry. And this flower with yellow petals will perfectly complement our festive bouquet. And what else can be yellow? The yellow is a lemon, a banana, a corn. Oh, I'm so happy to have such clever friends assistants! This flower with pink petals. Pink is also a radish. And a raspberry. Let's pick another orange flower. And what do you think? What else can be such color? Write in the comments what orange fruits and vegetables you know. Well, I think the bouquet is ready. But wait, look at that flower over there. Wow, we have to take it too. It has purple petals. What else can be purple? Purple is an eggplant and a cabbage. Thank you! You helped me to collect the most beautiful bouquet of flowers in the world. And we have fun. Oh, it seems it's going to rain. And I'm afraid of rain like all cats. Oh, it seems that rain is over. Whoa, just have a look. It is rainbow. What a beautiful and colorful one. How many bright colors it has. Let's see the colors you have learned today. Red. This color can have a pepper, a tomato, a strawberry. Green. This color has a cucumber, an apple, a broccoli. Blue. This color can be grapes, a plum, and blueberries. Pink. Pink is also radish. And raspberry. Orange. Do not forget to write in the comments, as we agreed. What orange-colored fruits and vegetables do you know? Purple. Purple is an eggplant and a cabbage. Yellow. Yellow is a lemon, a banana, a corn. We had a good time together today. We walked outdoors, collected a beautiful bouquet of flowers, and found out what colors they are. Got wet in the rain and got acquainted with the rainbow. If you had fun with me, put like and subscribe to the channel.